Welcome. In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how we can make the soft reset of this device. It's very simple. When the TV is turned on and it's stuck on the screen, for example right here in the settings, and you cannot make anything, you have to simply go for the cable and just plug it off from the electricity for like 10 seconds. So just make it. And after 10 seconds we have to plug it back. So right now we have to simply tap the power button on your remote control. Just tap it once. And as you can see, after a few moments our TV will be turned on. So as you can see, the soft reset is very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.